It's 8:30 a.m. I'd like to apologize to my neighbors. Primary fuel pump on, ignition on. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Jeez. All right, so we're heading this way. Oh my gosh. And welcome to Make Some Autos. And welcome back to another perfect day here in the beautiful state of Utah. Boys, we're dropping off the 430 challenge here at Make Some Models because you might remember 3-4 weeks ago we had that spin class. I broke it. The new potentiometer has arrived, so we're going to drop off the Ferrari. We're going to Uber home, but the 4GT and that FI exhaust, we have some news. Not good news, not bad news, but just kind of sort of, well, it's kind of bad. Well, it's news. Well, here she is, boys, the 4GT. So we've run into some minor technical difficulties with the FI exhaust. It's pre-production prototype number 001, and so we kind of sort of thought there might be some fitment issues, and sure enough, there is. What's so cool about a project like this is the first exhaust they've ever done for the 4GT, so it's kind of cool to see the R&D process. We have the intake right here, we have the exhaust right here, and there's only a fraction of a millimeter between the two, and so if we started up the car, all that heat would quickly melt this intake box, and so consequently, we have to re-engineer and we have to remanufacture the exhaust. So I've been working with FI. They've been awesome to work with. They're going to be shipping a new exhaust back to Utah here very, very soon. You can just see this exhaust. Oh, it's going to sound so good. I've not driven this car, I think, in 2+ months. We're still rocking the Hawaii plates because I need to get a VIN inspection, and to do that, I have to drive it to the DMV, and I haven't driven it since, yeah. Anyways, we got the Audi R8 V10 Plus, so enjoy this view of the 4GT. We'll see this car in maybe 2 or 3, or the red Ferrari 488 and the Audi R8 V10 Spider, but my Uber is here. Yes, 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 yes! From KPMF USA, this is the vinyl for my C8 Corvette. I don't even know when my car is going to arrive, and we're already getting ready for the build. You guys know what color this is. I'm not going to announce it, but you know. You have to, if you don't know, well, yeah. I still have no idea when my C8 Corvette is going to arrive, but I think March, maybe April. Honestly, I have no idea, but soon. And when I say soon, sometime kind of sort of soon, right, Oscar? All right, let's open up. I am so excited to share this with you guys. We have been waiting for this for forever. Oscar! Hey, what are you doing? What? Say bye to the viewers. Say bye. Tell them goodbye. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Don't call the authorities. Please do not call the authorities. Oscar jumped in the box after I opened it. I thought it'd be funny. It was just a joke. Whoa! Whoa, check it out, guys. Shout out to my homies at Status Racing. These are for the Supra. They're gonna be so sick. I'm so excited. Come on. We have done some epic stuff on the channel. I think this right here might be the most epic customized thing. Check that out. Are you kidding? That is sick! What? The moment, ooh, yes! Round 2, baby. Achoo! Okay, I'm sorry. I know I'm annoying. Massive shout out to my boys over at Status Racing. These seats turned out so good. Purple and black Alcantara racing bucket seats. They are ultra lightweight. And check this out. We got Oscar there on the side bolster as well. So these seats are for my 2020 Toyota Supra. I have the launch edition with the red leather interior that doesn't look very good with the purple vinyl. So these are just going to completely set it apart. My Toyota Supra is down at VF Engineering getting their hex tune. It should be back in maybe 2 or 3 weeks, let's say. When it does, we'll get these seats installed ASAP. However, it begs the question on the 430 challenge. We should get some custom racing seats, I think, but do we go orange or do we go white? That's the question. We are headed off to the racetrack. Do we take the Aventador, the Mustang, or the Rolls-Royce limo? We're taking the Aventador. What do you guys think about the wrap? Is it finally time to unwrap the Aventador? Let me know what you think in the comments below. If today's video gets 149,412 likes, we will unwrap the Aventador. So we're waiting for Mikey in the GT3 RS and Clayton and Faith in the Ferrari 430. They're gonna be here soon, and then we're headed to the racetrack. So yeah, we're just kind of sort of chilling. You can legit hear Mikey from like 2 miles away. Oh my gosh, my neighbors are gonna hate me. Oh, it's gonna be a good day. Well, 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 would you look who showed up finally? All right, so we are going in the ooh, jeez. My neighbors already hate me because of Mikey. That's smack smile of Mikey! Oh my gosh, that thing is definitely loud. Check this out, boys. It's February and it's about 55 degrees out here. We're out at the racetrack. This is like my new favorite spot in the state of Utah. I was out here in the Aventador, I think like 2 or 3 months ago. I did a 112 and change, but I've driven the track so many times. I know we can beat that, but we're on winter tires and it's hot, so we could get a little sloppy. The only goal per usual is to stay out of the thicket. So we want to be on the pavement, out of the thicket. Yeah, that makes sense. This does not seem like a very good idea. I'm out here risking my life with Mikey. Oh, wish me luck in the comments below. Anything you'd like to say?
You gotta sign a waiver before you get in?
I know, right? Oh. That's 85. That's 90 right there on the brakes. Oh my gosh. A straight 5 GT3 RS. His name is Mikey. He's a madman and he owns Astro Burger. Guys, if you live in Utah and you want a good burger, go to Astro Burger. Tell Mikey I sent you. What do you get?
112.
112? No. Mikey, oh, I'm never gonna lose this down. 112.63. I did 113.13. Oh gosh. Here we go. Oh, this is dangerous, Mikey. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Oh yeah, we need exhaust open.
PDK Sport, and then leave it in automatic.
Okay.
Push brake.
Yep. Oh, Jesus. I absolutely embarrassed myself in the GT3 RS. I have never stood on our brakes so hard as I did right there. We lived, we survived, but just by a fraction of a millimeter. I did a 114 in the GT3 RS. Mikey did like a 112 and change. So we're gonna go out in the event or try to beat him. I'm not competitive, but at the same time, I do want to beat him. I'm not competitive, but I do want to beat him. Thrust mode possible. Wait for it. Okay, it's not possible. Why is it not? Oh, there it is. Thrust mode possible.
I'm sorry, James. I'm sorry. That's how excited now. I got you excited. I'm sorry.
Hey, you're such a nice guy. There is not a link. There is not a link to Blinker Food below. I'm just kidding. There is a link, but just pretend there's not one.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I knew it didn't feel that good. Nobody is safe right now. Whoa, and 112. Was that the fastest today? Mikey, you're going again, bud. Never, ever, ever move to Utah. It's absolute nonsense. It's garbage out here. Look at that sunset. Are you kidding me? Just flexing on the nation. Okay, so we are headed home. So we're in Corsa mode. Traction control off. Wait for it. Launch, 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 launch. Wait for it, wait for it. Come on, come on. Give me thrust mode. Thrust mode possible. Oh my gosh, that is the sickest thing I've ever done. God bless Lamborghini. Oh, what a good day, what a beautiful day. That was a pretty sloppy day at the track. I didn't do very well in the Aventador. I did even worse in the GT3 RS, but what a good time. Massive shout out to Blinker Fluid. Guys, if you have not subscribed to their channel, link below. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. Just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.